least reliable car engines that die before 35,000 miles. Number 2. Hyundai Kia Theta series. 2.0-liter, 2.4-liter engines. These engines have a reputation for unplanned breakdowns, which has led manufacturers to provide lifetime warranties because of the significant chance of catastrophic engine problems. Number 1. Mini Cooper N14 engine. This engine frequently suffers from timing chain tensioner failures and excessive oil consumption, resulting in significant performance problems and costly repairs. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.